Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A42 and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and enter the settings, and here we have to find biometrics and security. Now let's scroll down a little, and as you can see here we've got install unknown apps option, so let's enter. And here we've got the list of apps which are not allowed to install anything. If you want to change it, just find the app you want to turn on, for example the Chrome, just tap on it and click on the switcher right here. Let's get back, and as you can see it immediately changes, so from now on you will be able to install some content from Chrome. Of course, if you want to turn it off, just do the same, so find the app, tap on it and choose this switcher. Let's get back, and as you can see it also immediately changes. So actually that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Samsung Galaxy A42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.